Welcome back. Our skin tells us so much. Yes, you heard right. Our skin reveals how our kidneys are functioning. Most people think kidney issues are only detected through blood tests. But actually, your skin can show subtle signs before your kidneys get completely deteriorated. These signs initially seem common and minor, which is why many people ignore them. However, if you understand these signs, you can prevent serious kidney diseases. In this video, you will learn which skin signs appear first and how, by taking simple steps, you can protect your kidneys. By taking action in time, you can avoid serious problems like dialysis or kidney failure. So, without further delay, let's learn in detail about the signs that appear on your skin if your kidneys are deteriorating. Number one, persistent itching. At first, if you constantly feel itching in your skin, it's not just a skin issue. It is actually a distinct sign of kidney dysfunction. Itching is often felt more at night and sometimes even in your muscles and bones. You scratch, find momentary relief, but then the itching starts again, even more intensely. The kidney's job is to remove urea, creatinine, and other toxic substances from your blood. If the kidneys are not functioning properly, these toxic substances stays in your blood and start accumulating in your skin. This increases irritation and sensitivity in the skin, causing you to feel itchy everywhere. The worst part is that this itching is not just on the surface of the skin. It's deeper. It can be felt in muscles and bones as well, which means scratching alone does not provide relief. This itching usually worsens at night because when you lie down, blood flow to the skin increases, bringing toxin to the surface. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory hormone cortisol decreases at night, which increases the sensation of itching. If you are diabetic or pre-diabetic, the risk is even higher. Excessive high blood sugar damages the kidney filters and leaves toxic substances in the blood. This itching often starts when the kidney function is reduced by 50%. In other words, your blood test may show normal results, but your body is already asking for help. Number two, yellow or white bumps. If you notice small yellow or white bumps on your skin, do not ignore them. These often appear around the hands, feet, elbows, and knees, and they usually feel hard to touch. They resemble small scars or seeds deposited under the skin. This is not merely a skin issue but may also indicate an imbalance of fat in your kidney and blood. This condition occurs when the kidney's function weakens, causing it not to manage the fats in the blood effectively. This is more likely to occur among people with diabetes because diabetes triggers inflammation in the body and an increase in triglycerides. When triglyceride levels are high, they accumulate under the skin as small crystals, leading to the formation of yellow or white bumps. These bumps are not just found on the skin, they may also form in blood vessels, the heart, and the pancreas. In advanced cases, this can result in pancreatic inflammation, a painful and dangerous condition, especially for diabetic individuals. A damaged pancreas can impair the beta cells responsible for insulin production, which is vital for blood sugar control. Therefore, if you notice yellow or white bumps on your skin, do not hesitate to test your triglyceride levels. Early detection and proper control of your triglycerides can make these bumps disappear within a few weeks. To keep triglycerides under control, reduce saturated fats and excess carbohydrates in your diet. Consume healthier fats and include more vegetables in your meals. Number three, swollen or puffy eyes. If you notice swelling or puffiness under your eyes when you wake up in the morning, don't overlook it, as it may indicate poor kidney function. This happens because the tiny filters in the kidneys weaken, allowing protein to leak into your urine. This causes water from your blood to collect in the tissues, leading to puffiness under your eyes and in other parts of the body. At night, the effect of gravity diminishes as you lie down, causing fluids to deposit under the eyes, making the swelling more prominent in the morning. This may be more dangerous for individuals with diabetes since high blood sugar further damages the kidney filters. Continuous protein leakage can lead to nephrotic syndrome, which may result in kidney failure. To check for puffiness under your eyes, press the swollen area lightly for a few seconds. If a dent appears, it indicates fluid retention in your body. Warranting a kidney function test. In a kidney function test, it is critical to examine urine protein levels, GFR, and creatinine. If protein levels in your urine are high, taking immediate action can help slow down kidney damage. Number 4, nail problems. Look at your fingernails. Do you see that the under part of your nails is white while the upper part is dark or reddish brown? If yes, this is called half and half nails and is often an indicator of chronic kidney disease. This occurs when the kidney function weaken, altering the balance of hormones and melanin responsible for giving blood its color. This results in changes in the nails, color and texture. Not everyone experiences this, but for those who notice it, it is important to check their kidney function. If you notice that your nails are excessively pale, it could be a sign of anemia. The usual cause could be kidney problems since the hormone erythropoietin produced by the kidneys promote the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. When kidney capability lessens, this hormone decreases, leading to a drop in red blood cell count. As a result, you feel tired, weak, and short of breath. Your nails become pale due to reduced blood flow to them. Number 5, dark skin patches. If you notice dark or brown patches on your skin, such as on your neck, under your arms, or sometimes on your knees and knuckles, do not ignore them. These might appear like dirt or dust that does not go away no matter how much you clean. These are not simple skin issues, they could be an indication of your insulin levels and kidney health. This is usually seen in people with insulin resistance. Insulin resistance means that the body cannot effectively use insulin, causing insulin levels in the blood to rise. High insulin leads to inflammation in the body and damages the kidney's tiny filters. Gradually, your kidneys weaken, and if you are diabetic, this process accelerates. The dark spots on your skin grow over time and may develop into rough or soft texture. Often, these are initially unnoticed since they appear harmless. But research shows that people with such skin patches are 5 times more likely to develop kidney disease. Number 6, slow wound healing. If you have had a small wound or cut that has not healed for 2 weeks or more, don't disregard it. This is not merely a surface issue. It could be an early sign of declining kidney health and blood circulation. When kidney function weakens, there are issues with regulating blood pressure and circulation. High blood sugar also weakens the activity of white blood cells. Consequently, your wounds heal more slowly, making them prone to infections. If ignored, even small wounds may lead to serious infections and sometimes require amputation. For diabetic, this happens more quickly due to their elevated blood sugar levels and poor circulation. Number 7, brown or red spots on the legs. If you have brown or red spots under your legs or knees, particularly on the front area, often small and shiny and feeling slightly rough to the touch, it may be caused by high blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is high, the tiny blood vessels in the body gradually get damaged. These vessels are not only in your legs and skin, but also in your kidneys. Inside the kidney, there are millions of tiny vessels that filter the blood. If the vessels become damaged, it can affect the kidney's proper functioning. This problem progresses gradually. The question is, why do these spots appear first? On the front of the legs, blood flow is naturally slow because of gravity. When the blood circulation weakens, these spots appear here first. These spots are usually not visible on the palms, under the eyes, around the elbows or knees, but rather on the front part of the legs. It must be noted that not everyone with such spots has kidney issues. However, research shows that people with diabetic dermopathy are 3 times more likely to develop kidney problems. If high blood pressure is also present, the risk increases. This situation is dangerous because it is often overlooked, prioritizing high blood sugar levels over blood pressure. Do not panic, but do not ignore this either. Take a picture of your legs and revisit the examination after 2 weeks. If the spots are growing or increasing, it may be a serious warning. These spots, if detected early, can be managed. However, if the root cause of the problem is not addressed, it cannot be resolved. So these were the 7 signs that appear on your skin if your kidneys are not functioning well. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.